20 signs a younger woman is secretly attracted to an older man. Signs that a younger woman likes an older man can vary, but they often manifest in subtle behaviors and cues. Understanding these signs can help older men recognize when a younger woman is interested in them. Here are 20 signs to look out for. She initiates contact. If she frequently reaches out to you via text, calls, or social media, it's a sign of interest. Engages in deep conversations. She enjoys discussing meaningful topics and listens intently when you speak. Compliments and admiration. She frequently praises your intelligence, wisdom, or appearance. Touches her hair or clothing. Subtle grooming gestures can indicate nervousness or attraction. Acts playfully. She teases or jokes with you, attempting to create a bond through humor. Finds reasons to spend time together. She suggests activities or outings that involve your presence. Shares personal details. Opening up about her life shows trust and interest. Maintains eye contact. Prolonged eye contact signifies a desire for a deeper connection. Initiates physical contact. Light touches on your arm or shoulder demonstrate a desire for closeness. Enjoys your company. She genuinely seems happy and relaxed when you're around. Posts about you on social media. Sharing photos or tagging you in posts indicates she wants the world to know about your connection. Asks about your life, inquires about your interests, experiences, and future plans, demonstrating genuine curiosity. Actively listens. She remembers details from your conversations and references them later. Tries to make you laugh. Humor can be a powerful way to connect, and she might make an effort to amuse you. Initiates future plans. She talks about potential future activities or events that involve both of you. Gives you attention in a group. If she singles you out in a crowd and focuses on your conversation, it's a clear sign of interest. Respects your opinions. She values your wisdom and seeks your advice on important matters. Defends you. If she stands up for you or supports you in a group discussion, it's a sign of attachment. Touches her face when speaking to you. Subconsciously, this can be a sign of attraction. She becomes jealous. If she reacts to your interactions with other women by showing signs of jealousy, it's a clear indicator of her interest. It's important to remember that these signs should be taken as potential indicators of interest. Every individual is unique, and some people may exhibit these signs more than others. Moreover, age gaps in relationships can raise different concerns and dynamics, so open communication is crucial to ensure that both parties are comfortable and have compatible intentions. Consent and mutual respect are fundamental in any relationship, regardless of age. If you notice several of these signs from a younger woman, it may be worth discussing your feelings and intentions with her to ensure you both have a clear understanding of where your connection is headed.